What's up, people? We are back with another video. The page is called South African Lead News. News just in is that Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane has officially joined the Busisiwe Party. As predicted last week, Mkhwebane joined MK Party, and I just feel that Julius Malema and EFF were betrayed by Mkhwebane because EFF was the only party that was helping her when she was dealing with the impeachment case. EFF was there for her. They even parachuted her to Parliament in 2023 after she just joined. Just sent it to Parliament and forgot about ordinary members. And then Mkhwebane decided to repay them like this. It is really sad for EFF. And then MK Party has appointed her as the convener of Mpumalanga Province. And then Busisiwe Mkhwebane gave her reasons, and her reasons is simple. She says that she joined MK Party because it is the only organization that understands the persecution of black people. Really? What about EFF and others? So I just think that this is just a lie. Mkhwebane is just an opportunist. She left to join MK because MK did better than EFF in the last elections. So Mkhwebane thinks that MK Party has got a better future than EFF. So she thinks that maybe in future she may have some leadership position there in the MK Party, which I doubt, because there are a lot of people that are joining an MK Party and it's going to be hard for her to get a bigger position. So now EFF, they just need to make sure that they get rid of all the double agents that support MK Party in silence, because I'm sure there are many of them. So EFF party leaders, they need to clean up before the December elective conference. They need to know which leaders are totally committed to EFF and then focus only on them, then get rid of all the snakes, because that's the only way of solving this issue. And you will remember that other members have left the EFF party. Those members include Fred Shivambu, Jimmy Manyi, and Fana Mkwena. And some analysts says it's because of Julius Malema's political style of leadership, which I doubt. I think all these people left because they've got some other agendas. For instance, Fred Shivambu thinks he left because he wants to take over from Jacob Zuma in the MK Party. He knows that Zuma is like 81 or 82, so he's old. So Zuma is gonna die in the near future. I don't think he'll live up to 100. So Fred Shivambu thinks that he's gonna be the face of MK Party in the next elections. So that's the reasons that he joined the MK Party. So it's just that. So Mkhwebane is now an official member of MK Party, and I think there are more members that are gonna leave EFF and join MK Party. So now Malema need to start to see MK Party as a competition, the same way he sees DA and ANC as competition. They are now friends in politics, so they need to attack MK Party and also poach their members. That's the only way that they will sustain themselves. As of now, EFF is in big trouble because they dropped in the last elections, so they face losing more members, which means they might do even worse in the local government elections that are coming in, I think, next year. So EFF, they need to wake up. Thank you for watching.